welcome to Lolly's Cooking Channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for always coming back. Thank you. Please do share. Send it to everyone. Please, let's grow this channel together. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you. Hello, guys. How are you guys doing? Happy Sunday. We are here this afternoon, the second to the last Sunday of the month of December 2022. The Lord is gracious to us. Hallelujah. How was your service today? I hope we all went to service. We all went to serve the Lord and give Him glory for being alive. We thank the Lord for all He has done for us. Cooking, and I want to just make something so quick. Yesterday I didn't have time, which was Saturday. I was all at the time in the church. We were doing some cleaning, so we didn't really have time. So today I just want to rush and just do a geese dodo. No, I'm doing a chicken dodo, not a geese dodo. I'm doing chicken dodo. So I'm going to be doing a chicken dodo right away so that we can have lunch together. See how we get our chicken dodo ready. So for my chicken dodo, I have the breast of my chicken. I've already marinated it since yesterday and I put it in the fridge. I put in my um, curry, thyme, garlic, and seasoning, chicken seasoning. So, and here I have my plantain. I have green pepper, yellow and red, and I have my sauce, and this is green pepper, bell pepper, ginger, onions blended and boiled, and I have my seasoning curry, seasoning powder and thyme, salt, oil, and a pot. So let's get into it. What I'm going to be doing first is I want to shred this. I want it to be shredded in tiny piece. So I'm going to be cutting it. I want it to be as tiny as possible. So I'm going to be dicing my onions. So I get my pot on. I will allow it to get heated a minute. So I'm going to pour in 2 spoons of olive oil. Okay. So I'll allow it to get heated up a little. So, so I'm going to be pouring onion. I will, I will allow it to saute for a minute. I've had a little salt in. So I'm going to be adding in my chicken. My chicken is already marinated. So I'm going to allow my chicken to have color. So for my plantain, I'm going to be peeling them off. The and I want to dice it. I want it to be cube. The plantain I'm using is very ripe and at the skin is very ripe, but inside is not too ripe. So it depends on the kind of plantain you like. So now I'm going to be frying my plantain. So the oil is hot, and this I want it to have a lot of color. So I'm still going to keep roasting and frying it. So I'm going to be adding some salt, a little salt in the plantain. It makes the taste change. So I'll be pouring it in my oil. I'll be pouring in my bell pepper, onion, and pepper. I will now dice my yellow pepper. I don't want the seed, so I'm taking it off. So I'll be doing the same thing to the red pepper too. So the green pepper, I'm doing the same thing to it. So I'm going to now put in my green and my yellow pepper, put the red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. So mix them together and you can see the color. So now our plantain is well fried. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pouring it inside the sauce so that we can have a good turn. This was the one that was made. I'm just going to stir it. So you can taste if you need to put some seasoning in, but for me, I'm not putting any seasoning in because I marinated my chicken very well. I did it over the night, so so I tasted it. I'm just going to put a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Oh, and I'm going to mix everything together. And allow it to simmer for just 2 more minutes. So it's ready, tastes nice. Hmm. It tastes so nice. Please, it's not only this dodo. You can do it with your gizzard, you can do it with your beef, you can do it with your chicken. Thank you for staying with us till now. God bless you. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and turn off your notification bell. Bye bye.